Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Jotform, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Jotform account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Jotform account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to get your user emails, and Jotform is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, Jotform.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to create a Jotform account, here on the front, you can sign up with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or you can do what I do and sign up with your email. Now, Jotform does offer various plans, including a free plan, which we're going to go over shortly, or you can easily click up here, sign up for free. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and sign in with one of these services, or you can go ahead and enter your email, which is what I'm going to do, and then click on continue. Okay, next, in order to sign up, they're asking me to put my name, create a password, my password, and then agree to the terms of service. So I'm going to do all that off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in the required information. I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, next, Jotform is going to prompt you to go ahead and create your first form. As you can see, they have a lot of different templates you can choose from. For me, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my dashboard in Jotform, so I can go ahead and start adding in different team members of mine. I can also start creating different forms. Now, if you want to know what the pricing is, you're going to click up here on the top right. Okay, so here you can go ahead and see, as of right now, they're running a special for a new account up to 50% off, and you can choose between monthly or annual billing. If you are billed annually, you will receive some sort of a discount. Now, the main difference between these different plans are how many forms you're going to be creating. You can see the free plan is only 5 forms. However, the gold plan is about 100 forms. So if you have different types of audiences or you're running multiple offers, you're going to need more than one form. Also, it depends on how many people are going to be submitting your forms. You can see for the free plan, you can get up to 100 monthly submissions. However, if you go with the gold, you can have up to 10,000 monthly submissions. So that's really going to depend on the size of your business. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Jotform account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.